Guys, so see the breadfruit here. You know, try to get a breadfruit from. And now even if we climb the breadfruit tree out. Now this one nice full roasting one. Well full. This one. So see breadfruit here, let me get. Nice breadfruit. Yeah. So I'm gonna roast this and then get it fried with some fish on now. So go to that. Welcome back guys. Yeah, so today I'm gonna do for you guys is I'm gonna be roasting a breadfruit and then fry it. So we do it on the river now, in which I have to see if I can get some fresh fish. So I get the fish them. So I'm happy in the water, you guys are gonna see that. So I get the fish them and get them clean up and everything, roast the breadfruit and then we're gonna fry it. Because I haven't eaten that in a long time, so I'd rather just roast it and then fry it afterwards. Yeah guys, so we get the breadfruit already. You guys will soon see when we get it and all that. So we do it on the river now. So see the river. So I go get myself salt out, then hop in the water and see if we can get spray 2 fish and come out back. So I do that now guys. Okay guys, so turns out I'm not getting no luck here, so I'm gonna go up more from the river. So I'm not getting no luck here, so I'm gonna try another spot and see what can go on. So I head up there right now. So I reach up there, you guys will see. Okay guys, so I'm gonna reach out from the other side now. Reach up on the other spot. I'm gonna hop in the water and see what we can get. So we can get in the water now guys, so we're just happy now.
Instead
Alright guys, so I walk on the riverside and buck up on a plum tree. Plums. Like plums just there on the riverside. Like yo. This tree is loaded, yo. I have to go get some of them here. I'm gonna make some juice with them later. Yeah. Okay guys, so unfortunately I'm not getting no locals yet, so I'm still searching though. I'll go up the river some more. Meanwhile I'm there eat plum and thing and just go and look around. But yeah man, I get no fish yet, so I try to see if we can get to some, we can head down back the river and go start roast the breadfruit and get the fish then clean up and fry guys. So just go and stay tuned and hope you enjoy the video so far. And soon as we shoot a fish, you guys will know, and when I go down back, I'll make you know and things. So I'll catch you when I reach the next spot and stuff. So when we reach the next spot, I share water, you guys will see. So yeah man. Okay guys, so the first one we get. First tilapia we get guys. The first one. So hey guys, so I'm gonna try see if we can get one more and then we're gonna head to the fireside and start the cooking. So we just do that right now and see if we can get the next one. There's some stumbling from the claw here. Seems like a crayfish claw. Yeah. Alright guys, so finish diving now. I just come for 2 fish. We get the 2 of them. I think I'm gonna look no more. Them 2 are good enough. Yeah man, them 2 are good enough. Then 2 tilapia. Yeah guys, so we finished diving now. So I'm gonna head back down the river. And then now I'm gonna get the fire set up and start roasting breadfruit. We get to put a name here. And yeah guys, it's just a nice vibe out here. Water nice and everything out here. So yeah man, see, this is like far from which part we even live right now. So yeah guys, so I'm going to go down back the river now and sort out. So I'm going to do that now. Alright guys, so we reach back at the plum tree. I'm gonna get some plum to bring home with me to make juice, but I don't have any bag, so I guess I just have to break off like the stem like with the plum to get them. So maybe like this. Shit. Okay, they're falling. Hey guys, I'm gonna break them off like this to bring them with me. Hopefully we can even carry them. So I'll pick some more guys. I'm gonna show you how much we pick. Alright guys, so see the amount here we pick all of them here. Yeah guys, so them here we pick on things, so yeah, pick how we can carry. I'm not trying to be greedy. So I bring them here, go down which part I have stuff them now, which part I have a bag and thing, and we can put them in to bring them home. And make some juice with them here later or morning. Some of them, but trust me, I love plum juice, so these ain't going to waste. I wish you guys could have gotten some also. So yeah, let's pack up them here now and head down the road. Or head down the riverside, whichever one. So I could do that now. So I'm head out of the water now and thing, get the fish them and everything, and get a couple plum and thing now. So what I go do, I go head out on the water side and go scale off the fish them and come back and make the fire so I can put on the breadfruit. I think I go put on the breadfruit before I scale the fish them, yeah. So I catch a fire for the breadfruit now and put it on and then go scale the fish them. So I do that right now. So the fire here now, not the fire. Well, basically I catch a fire in this now, so I get the lighter now and catch you up and get to put on the breadfruit and then go scale the fish them. So I do that right now. Hey guys, so don't catch up the fire now for the breadfruit, so I get it out of the bag now. I can put it on this. So I do that right now. You guys see breadfruit now. Nice breadfruit, so I'll put it on the fire now. Yes. This on the fire now, guys. Hot. Yeah. You know, guys. Yeah, so I make that go and roast now. So I clean up. Go get the fish them clean now. Make the breadfruit go and roast. here now. Clean up and everything, guys. So I get them. I got season them now. I check on the breadfruit, turn the breadfruit and things. So yeah. See breadfruit, you know. So see there, I roast the breadfruit now. Yeah, I'm there across the river. There's a different spot still across the river. I go and roast the breadfruit here and I get the fish them fry now. So I catch up a fire fry the fish them. So I guess I'll face all white. Yeah, got the water. But yeah man. So we are going roast the breadfruit now. So I catch up a fire to put on the fish, we fry the fish, and then now we go by if we finish fry the fish, the breadfruit will roast and we can get it to peel and get piece side to fry and so forth. So I do that right now. Catch the fire, put on the fish. So let's do that right now. Alright guys, you see two fish them here, so I get them here season up now. Season up them here now. Yeah, two nice tilapia guys. So I season them and make the fire to put on the pot to fry them now. So let's do that. Alright, so finish seasoning up the fish them now. Someone get the breadfruit peeler now, but I'm not carry anything to hold it to peel it. So I guess I'm gonna use almond leaf. I use two of them leaf here for all the breadfruit. Two of them here. Like 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yeah guys, I'm gonna use them here. Peel the breadfruit here now. So I can get it to fry. So I'm gonna do that right now. See breadfruit here now. Peel and everything, so I get it cut and cut up. Put in the pot to get it fried. So yeah. Fish them over there today. Ready to take out there now. Alright guys, so see the oil there. I'm going to just fry the fish to me now, so I'm going to change the oil there. So you see the breadfruit here I'm cut up, so I'm going to put them in now, fry them. Yeah. Yeah guys, so let the dragon fry first. Put that aside. Okay, so you fish them here. Okay guys, so I'm finished now. So I'm gonna show you the finished product of how it look, and yeah, I can tell you how it tastes too. Well, everyone must know this taste, but just showing you guys all the thing that I did. Yeah man, so I'm showing you how it look now. Yeah man, this is what I did today. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video and give it a thumbs up and please share the video and all that to your friends and everyone else, your family, everyone that you can, just share it. And yeah, so I got dig in here now and taste this. So yeah man guys, everyone know this tastes already, so hey, just I gotta eat it now. So I guess I'll catch you guys in my next video. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. So peace out for now guys.